Good morning, students. Welcome to the biology class. From the chapter Morphology of the Flowering Plant, in our syllabus we are having one more family, floral family, that is Solanaceae. In our previous session we discussed about the Fabaceae, and today we are going to discuss about the Solanaceae. Family Solanaceae, it is a large family and commonly called as potato family, in which we include potato, tomato and brinjal. It is widely distributed in tropics, subtropics and even the temperate zones. Vegetative characters, that is habit. Plants, they are herbs, shrubs and the very rare they are the small trees. You must have seen the potato plants. They are just a very small plant and that is known as your herbs and the shrubs. Stem is erect, cylindrical, branched, solid or hollow, hairy, or you can say the underground stem in the potato. Leaves, they are the alternate, simple and pinnately compound. Exstipulate means stipulate is absent and venenation is reticulate. So these are the vegetative characters of the family Solanaceae. In this diagram you can see this is the leaf. That network of the veins, that is called as a reticulate venenation. These are the leaves, that is your flower, and you can see the various stems and the callus, and that must be branched, that must be cylindrical, and they are erect. The stem is erect, cylindrical, that may be solid or hollow is there, and they are having the herb like structure, that is a very small plant, and sometimes it may be shrub but they are not in the form of trees. Next, and the very important, is your floral characters, that is inflorescence, that is solitary, axillary or cymose. The flower may be single, they may be at the axis. Bisexual and actinomorphic means they can be cut into any plane with the equal halves. Bisexual means male and the female in the same flower. Then sepals, they are five and united means fused with a velvet estivation, that is touching each other. Chlora, that is again the five and they are fused, and again the estivation is velvet, that is the arrangement of your sepals and petals. Androecium means your male part, that is stamen, they are five, and epipetalous means they are being attached with the petal. Gynoecium, that is bicapillary. Syncarpus means fused, ovary superior, bilocular, placenta swollen with many ovules. Now, keeping in view all these floral characters, we will have the floral formula. Then the fruits, that is berry or the capsule. Seeds many, that is the endosperms. What is the economic importance? So many plants belonging to this family are the source of food, that is tomato, brinjal, potato, जो हम बहुत शौक से खाते हैं. Then spices, that is chili, mirchi. Medicine, that is the belladonna and ashwagandha, very commonly used. Fumigant, that is tobacco, and ornamental, that is your petunia. So in this image you can see the various, that is tomato, that is the edible or that is in the form of a food, you can say, that is your brinjal is there, and this is petunia, which is your ornamental plants are there, and you can have a tobacco, you can have a various, you can say the plants which can be used as an economic importance. Next, and the very important, is the floral formula. So this indicates that is the actinomorphic. This is your bisexual. Callus 5 and fused. Chlora 5 and fused. Androecium 5 free but attached with the petal, that is your epipetalous. For this we have to make that arc. This shows that androecium is attached with the chlora, not fused, that is being attached. And here you have a gynoecium, 2, that is bicapillary. Syncarpus means they are fused and ovary is superior. So by keeping in mind the floral characters of your family, you can make the floral formula, that is actinomorphic, bisexual, callus, that is 5 and fused, chloride, that is your 5 and the fused, and Angiosperm 5 but epipetalous, and Gynoecium, that is bicapillary syncarpus with the superior ovary. This is very important family. Next, that is your floral diagram. So this is your mother axis, and now you have to draw first, that is your callus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they are fused. So by this particular, you can say the arrow or you can say the arc, you can show that they are the fused. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, that is means fused. Next is your chlora or the petal, they are again 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and fused. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And you have to be very careful that while drawing the floral diagram, the shape of the callus should be pointed like this way, and it should be semicircle like this way for the chlora. Fine. So next is your Androecium 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and they are being attached with the chlora, that is epipetalous. So this arrangement is known as epipetalous. And this is your Gynoecium, that is bicapillary 1 and 2. The placenta is swollen. This is the swollen placenta with many ovules in it. So this is a very simple floral diagram by step, that is your mother axis, then your callus, chlora which are fused and 5 in number, stamen they are 5 and epipetalous, and this is your bicapillary syncarpus gynoecium with the superior ovary. So this is about your family Solanaceae. Please go through this step by step, practice the formation of your floral formula as well as the diagram as much as you can. So best of luck for your coming exam, that is your periodic 2. Any queries, you can contact me on my personal number. Thank you.